government if man they money will customer them.
Go today, I let you work yourself. If you know Kabalot, go buy clothes, you get no style.
Biggest development in the history of Kabalot.
In the heart of a busy community lies Kabalot, a place known not for comfort but for survival. A marketplace where second-hand clothes gives people a second chance, and where every day is a fight to make a living. Here, second-hand clothes are treasures to the people, and that is what keeps the economy of Kabalot moving.
We do business to Kabalot here. It is a big community this, and the big all is centered in the community here, Kabalot. And let you do initiative. You know why Kabalot never went close, find close. But really right now, things are hard. Go try to and let you work yourself. If you know Kabalot, go buy clothes, you get no style. Right now, this side, junk rampant. You want to do online, this, that, you know. Really, things that way, government change. Well, team off. So the people of our government, I make it easy for me things can do. At least we young man able to know what to do. But right now, young man is stressed. Nothing but easy. So, but not easy. They can't 1-2 days in this style, you know what I mean? So not easy. So all the point of our government, I make things that go to count down for we. Right now, really, Kabalot get the name today. Right now, fall, man. Times of business, everything so far now. Because today, I'll accept it. If you don't buy clothes Kabalot, no, you need to be fine. Right now, any things they add. With the place of our government, number one, they straighten our top business, toilet business. Number two, you don't get good medical, you don't get lights, and not easy. Really. Normally, expect to get very lot. Really, expect to get about do business. Do commodity. Actually, I don't miss it now. Right now, things are not easy. Today, normally, things are so low, but right now, it's not easy.
So, what thing are you dream in the next 5 years?
Actually, if I understand, my dream now next 5 years, actually, I'll be somebody. I'll make it easy. The change of government come. Only pray our government come. I'll make it easy. Whatever for this next year, 2025, I'll make it easy. Make young man smile. I got young man, all my face sour. Because you know easy. Because things are hard. You know, they come, you're able to see some. They come, they able to do business, able to sell. So the prayer of government will make 2025 for council, 2028, new prayer will come, I'll make it easy for we. Tax are heavy. So I don't go now attack it, we will continue very easy, right now, we go here, we go for buy bill, tell you say, tax don't go up, you know we know it. We go buy, you go see how much cash for, see fair don't go up. So now we know it. The prayer of our government, I'll make it easy for making things as able for we direct money, for we now more direct money now. Yeah, so they say, first of all, I said, I'm see. Normally, when they call me game boy, I celebrate game boy, representing Kabalot best, you can understand. We do the play of our government, really help we, but it's not easy for we now. We Kabalot here now, and we all need man itself. With the place of our government, I'll make it easy for me, our government help we, many things here. One, Kabalot here for, so not going to toilet facility. You know, we're not going to hospital, medical facility, not there. Light business very hard. So please, the place of our government, do please, beneficial education for video demand them, but things are very hard, you can understand.
So thank you very much.
Yeah. Here, clothes travel across continents to find new owners. What some discard becomes another person's opportunity. For every day, the sunrise marked a day of struggle for survival. As every day the sun rises and sets, improvement hits up Kabalot. People deviate from wood table to mental.
I'm Yusuf Conte, chairman of Kabalot. We reside Kabalot presently in Eastbrook Street, Old Line. Well, I don't do business for Kabalot for the past 30 years. Well, Kabalot, I don't know Kabalot since the days of my late daddy. Well, me come take me daddy in place as I mean na the only child of me daddy wey left in business center. About 30 years ago now, life me okay for me at Kabalot. But this present moment we dey face these challenges, but it's how they do business. Well, I could get information, say the one pull me at Kabalot and the challenges and the right all the facing. But like for the past 5 years, we don't transform from table to mental. Now we not get smooth, we not get stick again as table. Now na container we don't put now. One of the biggest developments in the history of Kabalot. Well, like me and my co-workers we decide to do that project. We like we don't go up to 60 containers at present in Kabalot. But we don't transform from table to mental to container now. Well, for we at Kabalot, business not really easy. The business tough. Because most of the one who make Kabalot and my junk set itself when I use cloth. But as for now, everybody don't change from use cloth to stock, what we call ready-made. About 95% of the people at Kabalot are ready-made with deal with brownie stock. So like we see and say, we face the challenges, say the junks, the NEPA can find, the goods are not, the market are not good, where they come. So like make Bokuman and at me problem me decide to let a change over from junks to stock. Because you go buy you junks in a shop, the money they put at the end of the day, they will recover again. So a big loss to everybody when they do business at Kabalot when they sell junks. But like now where everybody they do stock business when already made a much better, a better small. At least people they get small improvements in the business. At Kabalot, we lack of toilet facility. We not get toilet facility, we not get stores again. We need stores that at the same time we not get toilet facility. The distance is too far for the side where the toilet in the distance too far for work. For Kabalot, we not get any toilet facility. And one of the biggest challenges that we face present at Kabalot. Well, we need for the color we aim, because like, we don't discover one particular place where I feel say if we get any assistance, we will develop that place here. For that place, they will build toilets there. At least the people they can buy business at Kabalot, they need for ease and safe. At least we will book at that particular place there and do it there for them. So like me that is chairman, we don't discover one particular place. So like we need help. How for fund that particular place we will be down, so people will be using.
Behind all the hustle lies a deeper struggle. Kabalot lacks basic amenities that many communities are enjoying. Here, clean water is not easily accessible. For many, getting water is a daily challenge. Sanitation remains a serious concern. With limited or no proper toilet facilities, health risks continue to rise every day and every time. The roads also tells their own story, rough, broken, and often impassable. Yet every day, the traders have resilience on their mind. But sometimes, these roads and the basic amenities are the things that stops the buyers from coming inside Kabalot.
My name is Amanatu. I do business at Guinness-Store Junction. Well, I run there for 10 years. Well, the experience I run there because I run there for 10 years. Yeah, the only the time all they strain for now, for the tightness of the road, then if man the money will customer them, especially this Guinness store where see them on all the place tight. The thief man they stress with too much to customer them. Even if they don't come for carry pull by, then they able. And they say the place choke. See the motor then are two-way. And then the more they stress you. Right now they sell it not easy, brother. They sell it the more now we. Because when they get sell it now we different. Now they sell it tough. Not easy, not really easy. Now by God in power no more now. They're not easy. Well, the things all the community they need for with the market to them, like we need water, we want them help for make the road because the road not tar. The road not tar, the road is broke. So we need all them say like we need water in this community. We need like toilets because businesswomen outside they do business. Waiting need more toilet facility. We need toilet facility. We need for them can help them make for with the road. So now then needs the we want. Let them help we more for water, for the road, especially the toilet side. Well, when see them on our sit down points, I focus before. Why they focus so now about them better defend. So when I see by they watch me, somebody they need cook somebody they watch and they bracket side. So now that can get away for cooks them. So we can cook say they come. The one that way God mark for we like normally can say they cooks them. Like you can't prove by. Message I get to the public who they beg you and let them help you for water, for more toilets. That's how they do business now. Not get general public toilets where decent. So now Guinea Store Junction, yeah. Take go down Fisher Street. We need toilets, we need water. Yeah, we need them can help you for make the road. Wait, so now the dust to market all dusty. But if they can't tap for we the road, they put for we culture, the dust go better for we. So now I know they tell the general public, we are let them help we. Let them help you more for public toilets and water. Now we need. We are with the bed.
Despite all the challenges and struggle that the traders undergo at Kabalot, life still continues. Hope lives in the resilience of the people. Kabalot is not just a marketplace, it's a story of endurance, of struggle, and of survival. The question still remains: how long can a community thrive without the basic amenities in it? Oh, this is my K. We are here again to give you stories, documentary about place and of people as well. So stay tuned, because stories are on the way coming for you. If today is your first day watching a video, subscribe, like, comment, and leave the rest to us. So thank you for watching. See you again on our next video. Bye bye.